Students in our programs not only learn to be outstanding musicians or dancers or filmmakers, but we also really make sure that we're preparing them for the careers that they hope to pursue. I'm Andy Schultz. I'm the Dean of the College of Fine Arts and Vice President for the Arts here at the University of Arizona. Our goal in the College of Fine Arts is to develop artists who are well-rounded, well-trained, critical thinkers who can contribute to their communities and help make the world a better place. Our faculty are incredible teachers, but they're also deeply engaged and connected in their disciplines. In Arizona Arts, we're in the business not only of training students to go on to successful and fulfilling careers in the arts, but also helping our community understand the value and the role the arts can play in their daily lives, not only here on campus, but going beyond as they live out their future. Alumni from all of our schools are out in the world doing amazing things, and we have deep contacts across all of our disciplines. Our students benefit from these relationships as they think about how to pursue their dream